Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today, I wanted to show you if you have recently subscribed to Sylectus load board and you are in tracking. You may want to learn a thing or two about the load board you are going to use. The reason why I'm doing this video is because they have changed. They have added a few features to the interface, and I had done some videos formally, but I felt that for people who are coming on board, it's better to give you this new interface so you can see how it looks like. So once you apply and you are subscribed to Sylectus, which I'm showing by the mouse, scrolling the mouse here, the interface is going to be looking like this. So they will give you a username and a password. So once you log in, you're going to want to go, if you click home, this is the way the interface is going to say Sorella, Free Solutions, Selectors. And then it will tell you you have last logged in, your last login successfully. For example, I'm logged in right now, so it will show you. And then the features you have on this left corner, you're going to see home load board. You really want to go, if you are going to bid, you are going to go to load board. And once you go to the load board, it's going to show you where you are going to key in wherever you want search. In the type of loads you want to search. If you wanted to narrow your search, you will have to check mark, for example, the expedited load or wherever you want here. And then the maximum weight, depending on what unit you have to key in right here. And then after that, you will have to come and select a city where you are bidding from. Select a state. There are all the 50 states. And then if you are inside the US, you will have to say you are in the US, and that's where you want to search from. If you are outside the US, like Canada and Mexico, then you select this option. After you do that, you're going to go to search postings and click on search. And then once you do that, you're going to be seeing loads coming up. And the feature that I've added, which I wanted to show you guys, is this bid. The old selectors didn't have the bid, the one which has a blue button and the white bid text. So if you are satisfied, you click here, and then it will ask you for more information, like the unit, the zip code where you are, and then once you key in, you submit your bid, and it will go to the broker. That's about bidding. And then this load board, as users, you can set up the user profiles. It has user defaults, and this is where you change your password and your corporate, the user password and the corporate password. And then you have email setup. If you want to set up the email to send information to the corporate headquarters, you can do that. Then you have customers menu here, whereby you can create a contact list of all the customers you work with. You have the fleets, number of vehicles, and then you have drivers, you have trailers, other carriers, and if you scroll your mouse by the fleets, you will see all this information and jump in to whatever you want to do. And these are the orders. This one helps for dispatch, and you see the orders. And if you want to manage posted orders, you click on there, and you might manage them. And this one will take you to the bid board. And then dispatch, if you don't want to call the broker, you want to call here where it says load board, loads broker to me. These are the loads. When you win, they will come to this page. If you click here, it will open another page, and that's where you see all your money, your loads which has been brokered to your company. Then we have reports, selectors, and then you have the payment portal, services, selectors, invoices, invoicing and payments, and then selectors log change. Then you have access to Alliance. If you want to email them, you can write an email with other Alliance partners. Okay, documentation, selectors, documentation, Alliance, and then we have other, and we have downloads. So basically, this is the new interface, and it's going to be looking like this. So if you are brand new to this kind of selectors, what you can do is log into it, familiarize yourself with it before you can start bidding, real bidding, because when you bid, whatever you submit is what you have to get. And I don't know if you guys have any questions, you put it in the comment section on my videos, and ask a question there. Make sure you guys like the video, share, and if you haven't subscribed to this kind of content, please do subscribe and support those ones who have supported. Thank you so much for those ones who have already supported by subscribing or sharing my content. That's it for right now, and I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.